Hello friends, we're back today.
Hello.
Today we are going to
Hello, today we're gonna
make
play.
a rainbow. Okay, rainbow colors. Are you ready to make rainbow with the Play-Doh?
Yeah!
Alright, fantastic. Alright, so can you get the blue?
The
Can you get blue?
Why?
Alright, so make a shape, a long shape with that, with the blue. While I also make for purple. As you can see what that is doing, just make a shape like this. You can put that here. It's okay. That's fine. Good.
Now,
Let's bring it down because we're starting from the bottom.
Can I have red?
This is purple. I've done this, so you can put this one. Okay, so that you have done the green, you can also put the green. Let's put them together. Okay.
But don't stick them.
Yeah, let's not stick them. This color wasn't done well. We need to extend it a little bit more. Make it longer. Is it enough? Okay, that's fine. Which other color again? This one. Yellow. We need the yellow.
You can make it.
I should make the yellow?
No, you already made it.
Can you make the yellow?
No, you already made it.
I've made it. That's too long.
But I'm gonna smash it.
Yeah, you can make it. That's fine. Put it in front of the camera so your friends will see while you roll it.
It's tight.
Yeah, keep rolling it. Keep rolling it.
I have a roll here too.
Keep rolling it. Keep rolling it. You can check if it's okay. Put it and see if. Oh, here is so fat. Here is so tiny. Can you bring them together more? Roll it. Take it and roll it. Okay, that's fine. Summer has done this.
Now?
Which one again do you want to do? The orange? The orange, I've done the orange. Okay, you can put the orange.
It's okay.
Is it okay? It looks small. Let's extend it a little bit more. A little bit more, just at one point, maybe at the top and middle. So you can put that.
And red, and
The red, you need to do that. Put it in the camera while you do. Extend it a little bit. Yeah.
Is it enough?
Check and see. Oh, it's not enough. Need to make it longer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do the red have to be the longest?
Yeah, the red will be the longest.
In the whole world.
Not in the whole world. Okay, I check and see if it's okay now. Oh, let's see.
Is it enough?
It's still fine. Let's see. Oh, yeah.
Now the blue.
The blue is already here.
But we need the cloud.
Yeah, we'll do the cloud. So now, but let's trim this. Let's trim this one. Can you get a ruler? Okay.
I don't want to trim it.
You have to watch when where all of them are aligned with. Just make your ruler straight. At this point, they're all aligned here. So you can trim it off.
Daddy, I want to trim it.
Yeah, then remove this one. Drag it down. Good. Okay, so you can get these colors off.
And put it back in.
Yeah, you can put them back in. Okay.
Oh, here's one. Where's the oven cup?
Yeah, let's put them back.
This one.
Awesome. This is looking fine. Wow. So let's make the
Cloud.
Alright, so make the cloud. That's fine.
I want to get the.
Yeah, make more. Make another one for this side. Flatten it. It doesn't have to have any good shape because the cloud doesn't have any particular shape.
But it needs to be bumpy.
Yeah, it has to be bumpy, that's all. Wow, this is awesome.
Can we cut the clouds?
No, you don't need to cut the cloud. It's fine. Wow, Summer, able to make the clouds. This is awesome. Are you able to make the rainbow, friends? Thank you so much for being with us today. As Summer is able to play with our Play-Doh and make a wonderful rainbow. Wow, Summer, this is so awesome. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Is it looking beautiful?
Yeah.
Wow, friends.
Play-Doh made a good rainbow.
Yeah, the Play-Doh made a good rainbow. Friends, I hope you're able to make your own rainbow at home. Wow, this is so fine.
Mouth. Funny mouth.
Alright, friends. Summer, what do you say to your friends?
Bye bye.
I'll see you in our next video.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye, everybody. My name is T.